Hello everyone. Welcome to part 1 of the 7 days English speaking challenge. In this series, we'll learn 400 daily use English sentences with Hindi meanings. Simple sentences that you can actually use in your daily conversation. All you have to do is listen, understand and repeat. Don't be afraid of mistakes because every mistake is a step towards improvement. So if you are ready to speak English with more confidence, let's start part 1. मैं आपको बाद में जवाब दूंगी. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. मैं आपको बता दूंगी. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. मैं आपको अपडेट देती रहूंगी. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. मुझे इसके बारे में सोचने दो. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. मैं इसका कोई ना कोई हल निकाल लूंगी. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. मैं इसे संभाल लूंगी. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. यह मुझ पर छोड़ दो. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. मुझे 1 मिनट दो. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. आप आराम से कीजिए. Take your time. Take your time. इस बात का ध्यान रखना. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. इस बात को दिल पर मत लेना. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. हाँ, यह बात समझ में आती है. That makes sense. That makes sense. यह बात समझ में नहीं आती है. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. मैं समझ रही हूँ आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. मेरा मतलब यह नहीं था. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. मैं पूरी तरह समझ रही हूँ. I completely understand. I completely understand. मुझे इस बात का यकीन नहीं है. I am not sure about that. I am not sure about that. मैं अभी इस बात से सहमत नहीं हूँ. I am not convinced. I am not convinced. मुझे इसमें ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी नहीं है. I am not really into it. I am not really into it. अभी मेरा मन नहीं है. I am not in the mood right now. I am not in the mood right now. मेरे पास समय कम पड़ रहा है. I am running out of time. I am running out of time. मुझे पहुंचने में देर हो रही है. I am running late. I am running late. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I am on my way. I am on my way. मैं थोड़ी देर में वहां पहुंच जाऊंगी. I'll be there in a while. I'll be there in a while. मैं थोड़ी ही देर में वहां पहुंच जाऊंगी. I'll be there shortly. I'll be there shortly. मैं बस पहुंचने ही वाली हूँ. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. मैं आपको वापस फोन करूंगी. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. जब आप फ्री हो मुझे फोन करना. Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. मुझे चेक करने दो. Let me check. Let me check. मुझे पता करने दो. Let me find out. Let me find out. मैं पता करके बताती हूँ. I'll find out. I'll find out. मैं आपको जानकारी देती रहूंगी. I'll keep you informed. I'll keep you informed. कृपया मुझे जानकारी देते रहना. Please keep me informed. Please keep me informed. मुझे पहले से बता देना. Give me a heads up. Give me a heads up. मुझे पहले से बता देना. Let me know in advance. Let me know in advance. मैं इस बात का ध्यान रखूंगी. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूंगी. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगी. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. मैं घर पर रहना ज्यादा पसंद करूंगी. I'd rather stay home. I'd rather stay home. मेरे पास कोई और रास्ता नहीं है. I have no choice. I have no choice. यह परिस्थिति पर निर्भर करता है. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. यह इस बात पर निर्भर करता है कि आप क्या चाहते हैं. It depends on what you want. It depends on what you want. आपकी बात में दम है. You have a point. You have a point. आपने अच्छी बात कही. That's a good point. That's a good point. मैंने इस बारे में सोचा ही नहीं था. I hadn't thought of that. I hadn't thought of that. अब जब आपने इसका जिक्र किया है. Now that you mention it. Now that you mention it. अब सोचती हूँ तो. Come to think of it. Come to think of it. So, that's it for part 1 of our 7 days English speaking challenge. I hope you learned some useful sentences today. Practice them aloud and try to use them in your daily life. And remember, consistency is the key to speaking English confidently. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it and subscribe for part 2. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing and keep speaking English.